Hello, my name is James Aiello, and this is my Project 3 video for the class Visual Frameworks, Full Sail University. And this is the application that I made. This week we were to make a photo gallery. And this is my first window here with an open gallery button. I just grabbed the texture real quick offline and threw it as a background. So we click the button and we go to the gallery. For some reason it lags a little bit whenever I click that button. So anyway, I made a gallery of pictures of my two kids, my son and my daughter. And we have 4 rows here, and it is a scrollable view. However, one thing I do want to point out is that these images are not dynamic, meaning that they do not change their width depending on the screen size. That was something that I saved toward the end. I thought, oh, it'll be easy to automatically just write some code and do that real quick, and I ended up getting tripped up and it wasn't working out. So these are just all set to, I believe it was 75 pixels by 75 pixels. And it ended up that I put that in there just to test it out, and it ended up that it gave me the 4 rows. Which is required for the project, but whenever I tried to make them dynamic, I started getting 3 rows and ran into all kinds of problems. So we have a close window button at the bottom. That takes you back to the open gallery window. So the other problem that I ran into was the event propagation. Now I believe I have the event propagation correct in the fact that each one of these pictures does not have an event listener. So I'm listening for a click, and depending on what I click on, is the actual event listener. So I think I have that right, but whenever I do click on an image, I wasn't able to get the image to load into this view. I made the view background color blue so that you could just see that there is a view there, but there is supposed to be an image in that view, and that, again, that's one of the things that I saved toward the end and I was not able to complete due to the time frame that I had. So then I have a button down here that closes and goes back to the gallery. So I could click on any one of them, but the image, I wasn't able to get the image to load. So that's my application. I wish I had more time to do some styling and actually get the whole entire application running correctly. But this is the first class, so I plan on learning a lot more, and I will see you next time for Project 4. Thank you.